Hey y'all. Okay, so we back here with another video. This is Shay. Back Shay or whatever. Not right now because I look a mess or whatever. But we finna get, well, we about to attempt to put this old wig that I found in my little wig suitcase. That looked like I only wore like a couple times or one time, and it was looking good, but when I put that thing on, it was like thick and stuff. So I've been trying to quote unquote customize it and fix it and stuff. But we gonna see. Y'all stick around with me, okay? And the lace not giving like HD or whatever. I don't even know what it's giving. It's giving something, but something, I don't know if it's the right something. Oh, I burnt my freaking arm. I see. Oh, I need to do this over. Speaking of best friend, here she is calling. Alright. So what I'm doing now, y'all, don't talk about me, okay? What I'm doing now is, before I even put it down, since I don't have my wig head, since my best friend has it, I'm going to try to flatten it with my pressing comb that get hot to super hot. This is my thing right here. This thing gets super hot. Like, who is it even buy? Can't read that. Kentucky made. So y'all see what I did? Like, I basically tried to kind of flatten it so when I put it down, it'll be good. So I'm gonna paste it down with the spray. I'm gonna show y'all the spray. But I need to make sure that this is where I need it to be.
The couch came with pillows. Really? Oh, that's the one thing. Yeah.
I like that better. Just a little bit.
From Marshalls. $15.
Then this lot right here.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's gonna be cute.
So I can see what I'm working with for real, for real.
Yeah. I think it was like 50. Because the one I was gonna get was big. It's white, but that's my deal. Yeah, exactly. She said, and I got one of these. Yeah, this is exactly the same on the other side. Closet for real now. Put like my clothes.
So let's get the spray. Oh, I was supposed to show y'all the spray. I have this one, but it's the my mom has the daily use one. I don't know. And then she has, I wanted to do a Glueless video, but she has this one. She have a lot of stuff. She have this one. She got a lot of stuff in here. She got like a whole little bag of stuff. She got the lace remover. She don't know I'm gonna use it. Oh, there she goes. She got like a little, she can hold it out. But she don't know how to use it. cap up under here. Do I already need this cap? I don't want to put it on.
She got me some pasta, guys. She got me some pasta. She got me some wine glass. And she got me some wine. And you know, we got this little rose up. Please don't play.
It's sticky, but it's not like super sticky like the got to be would have been. Do I really want to put this ball cap on? Let's just see how it looks without me putting it on there. I'm watching Tymaria G, or Tymaria G.I. Tymaria G.I, I think. I like her.
Please don't let me die. Yeah. Terry, you gotta watch out. You know, I fall, I'm landing on you.
That looks good, don't it?
Yeah, we get real hectic, y'all.
Look how hot this thing gets. Like, when I say this thing get hot, I'll be having to turn it off in the middle of using it. Because this hair is really getting stuck to this thing. Ooh. I still need to use it though. I learned this on YouTube just a second, just like a couple videos ago from Sophiology. She sprays the inside of her wig and then puts it down. Like, what? I ain't never thought about that, but she said you got them really quick, so I'm gonna get a clip and clip it. Okay, see how I pinned it all out the way, so when I spray it, I could just put it on. So that's gonna fit like that, though. Like this.
And then I got this for the living room as well. So this is gonna go on first, and then that's gonna go on all the pictures, and I think that's gonna be different for that wall over here. And then this
like this, and I can do like the little side piece.
I really like it. It says confidence. I wear it like makeup,
Like that.
and that's a true statement. This is from Burlington School. And
Now time to get this side out the way. Hopefully I put enough. Okay, so I just took this spray and I sprayed it in here. Now I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna go over it like in some like right.
Y'all see all this natural going on, and like I was saying about my room.
And then just spray that part. Now let me get my band. Finally found this freaking band. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna use this side. Now let's get the part together. So for me to get this part together, I'm gonna take the Wig Dealer Sleek Finish wax stick. See. So I'm gonna take it. There you go. I'm gonna go here too, because we want this to be sleek and slick too.
I am new to primers and stuff because I never used them much. But now that I really am trying to get into makeup more, I learned that primers are really, really good for doing makeup, and it helps it last and all that stuff. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.
I'm gonna take this super hot pressing comb from earlier, and we're gonna go in and push it back like that.
After you order it this way.
I'm thinking about making this a two-part thing because putting this on was a struggle, and I feel like that's a long enough video as it is, and I'm probably gonna like style it and stuff in another video. That sounds like good because I'm trying to do content. I'm trying to have content. I'm trying to make content. I want to be seen. I want to be known, and like good vibes known, like good people known. Like I'm watching, like I told y'all, I was watching Tamara GI, and then her video went off, and then this other girl came on. Her energy right away was just like, no. She's like, yeah, I'm gonna show you how I just got this luxury apartment at 18. And I know y'all be saying I don't look 18 or whatever, but whatever. Like, stank. You didn't look 18 when you said it. When I seen it, I'm like, bro, you're really 18? It was just not good energy to me. Like, there's just, hair is just, yeah, let me get this. Pressing comb could be hotter because I had to turn it off because it was too hot. So you can be notified. Like the video, leave me a comment like what you think I should do better, what you recommend, or anything what you want to see, whatever. But I'm gonna style it and cut it in another video. So this is putting it on part 1. We're gonna style it and curl it and stuff, or straighten it in part 2. So I'm Shay. Nice to meet you. Hope you come back for more. See you later.